Survey Junkie is a platform where you can earn money by participating in online surveys, product testing, and sometimes focus groups. Operated by Prodige LLC, it's a legitimate way to make some extra cash in your free time. You earn SJ points for each task, and these points can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Completing your profile earns bonus points, getting you started faster. Surveys typically pay between 5 and 500 SJ points, $50 to $50, depending on their length and complexity. These points can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Remember, this isn't a full-time job replacement, but a way to generate passive income with dedicated effort, translating to $50 per month. Mobile app features for iOS and Android provide convenience, with enhanced notifications and faster loading times. To maximize your earnings on Survey Junkie, be honest and thorough in your survey responses to avoid disqualification. Complete surveys quickly and fully, and take advantage of referral bonuses to earn extra points. Diversify your participation by taking surveys on both mobile and desktop devices. Join during promotions to earn bonus points and pace yourself to avoid survey fatigue. Once you reach the minimum threshold of 1,000 SJ points, equivalent to $10, you can cash out via PayPal. Gift card options are also available. Remember that processing can take 7 to 14 days. Survey Junkie uses AI to match users with surveys based on past behavior, boosting completion rates. It's a low barrier entry for passive income. However, you should only participate if you are eligible, as lying can lead to bans.